Hey y'all, I got an unboxing today for you. These boxes all arrived late yesterday, and I thought I'd hold off and open them with you watching so you can see what came. Progress has been made on the Willys Overland truck project. It's been behind the scenes and mostly working on the motor. If you check back a little bit, you'll see that we started that motor up, and we initially started it up and broke it in with just a carburetor. And so this gear, hint hint, is some of the gear that will change that. So we'll be swapping that over here in the next couple weeks, and we'll do another startup with some of this gear. I don't want to give it completely away. I'm going to move this giant box out of the way first. Thank you to my UPS guy for not destroying your back delivering all the boxes. These boxes are from, let's see, Holley Performance Products. What might they be? Holley Sniper EFI. How about that? Let's see. Can I pop that open easily to see? Nope, they sealed every box. Okay. Yep, as I expected, to the shape. Distributor. Top of it off at least. There's the distributor for the Willys. What else we got here? Let me see if I can get it back in. Yep. Distributor. Harness. I know this is all the Hyperspark kit, so I'll just flash a few more of the parts. Ignition parts, and then all of that being on that same wiring harness. Sparkle making thingy, sparkulator. Who uses that sparkulator? I think it was red green first. Anyway, doesn't matter. All right, so there's that one. Let's see what we got here. This one came in a big giant tube. I'll let you guys guess what it is for a little bit. Some of you can probably already tell really easily. More Sniper. What is that? Oh, I hate these box in a box things. So these could be called go fast parts, but that's really not my goal. My goal is to go everywhere. These are go everywhere parts. I want reliable. I don't want to have to adjust the carburetor when I go to elevation, high elevation, which I hope to a lot. There you have it. This should keep things dialed in and auto adjust as we go. Sniper. throttle body. The motor and the era that I built had a throttle body on it, a GM throttle body. It was pretty beat to heck, and I wanted to be a little more modern and have a little more, hopefully long-term reliability. So there's those parts. I could cut into this box, but it's not super exciting. This is just the gas tank. So this is the gas tank that'll go into the Willys, and these are the gas tank straps that will hold it in place. I'm missing one piece that I see is slated for Tuesday, and that is the intake fuel pump. So once we get that, then we'll start fitting it all up. I have to get the motor and trans in. Motor mounts still need to be added. Trans mount needs to be added. I have them. They're at the shop ready to go. We just got to bring all the parts in and set the motor in and mock it up and get those welded on, and then we'll be able to start doing other things. Pretty excited. This will be a big leap moving forward during the hotter months, being able to do some of this stuff being able to do some stuff while it's still hot. I'll do some more unboxing when the next parts arrive, and I'll give you updates as well on where the project is and what's coming up next.